Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of unusual: not regularly or frequently occurring. For example, the company took the unusual step of complaining publicly about the decision. American pronunciation: unusual, unusual. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Unusual. Say, unusual. Unusual means not habitually or commonly occurring or done. Unusual. Unusual. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Theft is nothing unusual at the shop, which suffers shoplifting on a daily basis. Now, repeat after me. Theft is nothing unusual at the shop, which suffers shoplifting on a daily basis. The second practice. It is not unusual to see smokers dragging on cigarettes between mouthfuls at meals. Now, repeat after me. It is not unusual to see smokers dragging on cigarettes between mouthfuls at meals. Visual representation of unusual. Unusual means not regularly or frequently occurring.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.